Most of our kids are back in school by now, and it's up to us as parents and guardians to help them be the best they can be this school year.
That can be a challenge for parents and a lot of times for the dads out there. So today we're getting some advice from attorneys Jeffrey Levin and Jeffrey Paulston. Thank you both for coming in. Good to see you guys. So as we talk about fathers and we talk about school, they can really have an impact on how children learn or don't learn in this upcoming school year. Explain that.
Absolutely. Fathers are critical academically in the lives of their children. My first book, Father's Rights, I wrote about that. A father's involvement could help children academically. For instance, children that are fatherless are more likely to do poorer academically. So fathers are critical, and they're very important the first day of school. And I've discussed that with Mr. Paulston frequently. And there's an event I'm putting on for the governor in Galesburg, and Mr. Paulston has been a big help in putting it together.
Yeah, talk about what fathers should do as kids are getting back to school to really help cement that education and their relationship with their child.
Well, it's just important that they stay involved. A lot of schools allow the parents to volunteer in the classroom. You know, they can do that. It can be for a half a day or, you know, as much time as they have. You know, helping with homework.
Yes.
They don't have to be a genius and know everything. Just being caring and supportive and giving, you know, their child that confidence that they can do it to succeed on their own is really important. You know, and a lot of kids are involved in sports. You know, helping out with the teams, anything that they can do to volunteer to help out at the school in any of the activities that the children are involved in is important.
Moral support, that encouragement. And a lot of these, I think, which you'll be discussing at the symposium that you have coming up, correct?
Exactly. The symposium is going to be in Galesburg. The mayor's going to be there, and I chair the Illinois Council on Responsible Fatherhood for the governor of the state of Illinois, and I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to all the presenters. I'm looking forward to Attorney Maureen Gorman presenting. She's the president of the Fatherhood Educational Institute.
You said the mayor, you mean Mayor
Of
Johnson?
Galesburg.
Oh, Mayor of Galesburg. Okay, all right.
Well,
Very good.
I'm glad you brought that up because I should invite him too.
There you go. He's a former teacher. He might be
Right,
a
and
little
plus
bit helpful.
I was one of his supporters when he ran for mayor.
Okay, there
so
you
I
go.
should definitely invite him.
All right, talk a little bit about the Kids Online Safety Act. Why is this something that's so important to you?
It's very important to me because children need to be safe, and I personally believe no child 13 or younger should be on social media, and if they're under 17, parental consent should be necessary. For example, what if there's a child that is suffering from suicidal ideations and there's information on social media glamorizing suicide? That could be the end of that child's life. So I'm a big supporter of that act, and it needs to become law in this entire country. It's very, very important. Social media can be very dangerous for young children. There are predators that surf the internet, and I don't want any child to become a victim because a young child is on social media when their child shouldn't be, and we need a law so no child is ever put at risk.
Okay, so in addition to the advocacy, the core of what you do is still in the legal system, and you've had a case where you helped an innocent father get off. Tell us about that case.
Yeah, this is a great victory. This dad was successfully raising his two daughters, and the mother was really not in the picture. And then out of the blue, she filed a petition for custody. Well, it was set for a hearing, and the father wasn't even notified of the court date. So when he didn't appear, the judge issued a body attachment for him. And so luckily he found out about it because somebody informed him that the police were coming and
Body attachment is a warrant?
It's a warrant where they
go.
can be arrested and they'll be put in jail, and he would have been taken away from his two daughters. Luckily, he found out about it because somebody told him that the police had come to try to arrest him, and he came to us, and we went into court, you know, and this was an emergency because they could have picked him up at any time. And we went in and fought for him and got the body attachment quashed. So this father is back, you know, safe with his kids, and he was, you know, never separated from them.
Got to know, you got to have all the information in front of you and somebody advocating for you, for sure. Thank
And
you,
that's the work
gentlemen.
that you guys do.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. For more information, you can call the number there on your screen or go to dadsrights.com. You can also check out Dad's Rights on social media. Jeffrey and Jeffrey, thank you so much.
Thank you both.
We
Well, thank
appreciate
Thank
you.
you.